Hi guys, this is Channel Fundi and in this video I am going to show you how to create a bootable Windows USB in Ubuntu Linux without getting any error with the help of terminal and command line version of WOEUSB. So let's begin. First click on Show Applications and now type in Disks. And now click on this application. Now select your USB drive and then click on Delete Selected Partition and then click on Delete. And now just minimize this. Just right click your desktop and then click on Open Terminal. Now let me resize this window. And now type in this command. All the commands shown in this video are also available in the description box below, so you can just copy and paste it from there. And hit enter. And now type in the password and hit enter again. And now hit enter once more. And now type in sudo space apt space update and hit enter. And now type sudo space apt space install space WOEUSB and hit enter. And now type Y and hit enter. And now finally type sudo space WOEUSB space -- target -- file system space NTFS in caps space -- device space, and now go to the file manager and then go to the location where you have your Windows ISO. So as you can see, this is my Windows 10 ISO. So all you need to do now is just drag and drop this ISO into the terminal and just minimize this. And now go to Disks application and down here you will see something like this. So all you need to do now is just select this and copy it and then paste it in terminal and hit enter. So as you can see, the process is now started and it is copying Windows setup files over to the USB flash drive. So you can use the same process to create a Windows bootable USB in any version of Linux. All you need to do is just delete all the partitions present in the USB flash drive and then you have to install WOEUSB through terminal and then type in the commands which I used in this video to create a bootable Windows USB. So this will take about 45 to 50 minutes to get completed. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.